we will put one leg beneath the chair and the other leg is open. Yeah, perfect. Good. Now, don't worry, this leg doesn't need to be extending. If this is too much, you can put the pillow there. Yeah. Now, this leg, the extension of the knee will be depending on your spine. So what we want is to feel that you are sitting on your sit bones, not behind, not falling back. So if you are in this position, bend the leg and then go into your bones there, into the sit bones. We want the spine nice and long. It's always the same idea. Chest open, lifted. Yeah. So it doesn't matter if you bend the leg, that's okay, because you still will have a beautiful stretch. Yeah. So you put the hands to the chair nice and close. Yeah. And with the solar plexus, we lean toward the chair. We are not leading with the head. We are leading with the solar plexus toward the chair. Yeah. So we will receive a nice stretch on the lower back, but in a good position. So all the vertebrae are aligned and they are not pushing the front or the back. Yeah. To keep the disc of between the vertebrae in a good position. Okay. So there you can decide. You put your hands or your elbows. Even you can put your chin. Don't put your forehead, your chin if you're right to the chair. Or you can put your hands toward the chair. So depending where you feel more comfortable. The idea is that we can stay a little bit in that position, feeling that we are stretching, but not forcing, stretching, forcing. Yeah. Now, if you are with the arms on the top of the chair, remember, not this, always at the space, yeah? Good. Wherever is more comfy, we are working in this position and we are working on the hip, yeah? Well done. Now, we put the hands behind. Again, that roll the shoulders, lifting solar plexus and chest. We look a little bit up, but not that much that is hurting the neck. It's always a nice feeling. We look for that feeling. And your heart here is open. So imagine that you are receiving the energy into your heart and you are spreading inside the cocoon and inside your house. Yeah? Good. And then come back to the center now. We will put one hand, doesn't matter what side, because we will go to both. So we will cross one hand first to one of the sides, the other hand on the floor. And again, you push into the hips and lifting chest. And then lifting, you rotate a little bit to that side. Not forcing, not tensing. The tension is on the hips. You are like catching the pipe of the roots to command that lifting of the energy. And you are releasing the tension from all this area. And here, remember, all this area is the seat of the emotional body. So we are releasing also the emotional aspect here. So please let go. All the stress, everything that we are feeling these days. Bye-bye, baby. Good. Well done. Now coming back to the center, and we put the opposite arm. And again, pushing into the hips. When you go, the twist toward the leg that is extending is less twist that you can do. So don't worry about it. Just keep pushing into the hips open. Relax, release. Beautiful. We change. We go with the other leg. So again, if you need, you put a pillow beneath the leg that is bending. Recheck. Every leg, each leg is different. So could be that this you are more tight. Yeah. So you bend the leg, go into the sit bones, and then you check if you can extend the leg. If not, you leave it bending. Yeah. It's the same work. Roll the shoulders, hands on the chair. You lean with your chest. You don't move, doesn't matter. Even 1 millimeter even just hold the straight position is already good work. So hands, elbows, chin, or hands. Yeah, so for me, for example, this leg today is super stiff, so I keep it nice and simple there. No tensing shoulders. Relax, yeah? Soft. And then back. We put the hands behind, open chest, breathing deeply. Yeah, lifting. So imagine lifting the pipes going into your heart, receiving that beautiful loving energy from the planet. Yeah, imagine that pink light that we always use. Then relax. We put one hand and we rotate softly, pushing into the hips, lifting chest, shoulders away. And then to the other side. Very nice. Well done. And come back. And now the last one. And we go to Shavasana. Put the feet together. Yeah. Good. So hips. Yeah. Again, doesn't matter. If it's tight. Yeah. You catch the chair and again, check. Wherever you have the knees, even if you have the knees to your ears, doesn't matter. Catch the chair and press into the hips, open chest. Don't tense your shoulders. Yeah? Again, if this is just enough, stay there. If you feel that you can move forward, you lean with your belly, with your chest and your chin, not with your forehead. Yeah? Good. Well done. And then relax.